guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite all-natural hair treatments to grow longer, thicker hair and get rid of frizz, and a few hacks too, so keep watching. Now, before we jump in, I wanted to do a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. So Skillshare is a journey that I've loved going on thanks to this brand. They have so many different classes and things that can teach you about what you want to do, like me wanting to learn how to draw or how to improve my business. All you do is search, and there's just an endless amount of classes and courses on how to pretty much achieve the things that you want on your free time. You can find so many classes that fit your goals. For those of you who ask me how to start business and logos for YouTube, or if you just want to learn about personal development, there's so much here. And luckily Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 people to use the link in my bio a 1-month free trial, so you guys can check out something that I personally enjoyed and found so much value in, especially when it comes to just learning more about things that I love to do. And if you get it, make sure to check out one of my favorite classes, which was the Mastering Productivity, where you can create a custom system that works for you with Thomas Frank. It has changed my days lately. So don't miss out on the 1-month free trial in my link below. Let's get into this DIY all-natural hair treatment that is going to save your hair, especially this summer during the heat and humidity, and just keep it soft and healthy. So the first ingredient, you guys know this is one of my holy grails, which is virgin coconut oil. I like to get it expeller pressed and food grade. This just has the most natural and unharmful properties as opposed to buying a coconut oil specific for the hair, and you can get this anywhere. Any drugstore, any food store has this. Next up, you are going to need some castor oil. I get a lot of mixed reviews, to be honest, about castor oil in my comments. Some of you love it, some of you hate it, but I have to say it is one of, by far, the most amazing ingredients if you want to grow long hair. I do know it makes some people's hair greasy, but if you really want to grow long hair, for me, this has been one of the best ingredients I could ever use. Now, I have all types of brands of castor oil that I use. I picked this one up on Amazon. I'll have the exact one linked below, as well as the other ones I use linked below, but castor oil is castor oil. As long as it is organic and cold pressed, that is what I recommend. Next up, I would say this is optional, but I always like to use it in my hair masks, which is olive oil. Now remember, if you don't like castor oil, you can swap it for olive oil. If you don't like olive oil, swap it for the castor oil, or use both. Again, you can get these anywhere, but I'll just use my links down below for the ones I personally like to get the most. So now let's get into making this amazing hair treatment. So you're going to want to take 2 heaping spoons of the coconut oil. This is key for me. I love the smell, I love how it feels in my hair, and I like to use a good amount as the base of this treatment. Now, once you have the coconut oil, don't worry if it's a harder texture or it's not super soft yet. You will naturally melt it with the heat of stirring and your hands, so no worries there. Then I'm going to take about 2 full tablespoons of castor oil. I like to mix it in right after. You can use this bottle, a big bottle, doesn't matter, and just mix it together. So you guys know this combination is amazing for all hair types, all hair textures. It is one of the most powerful natural ways to not just grow your hair, but soften your hair and heal damaged hair. The blend of castor oil and coconut oil has so many amazing natural benefits, properties, hydration properties, and it is just filled with fatty acid, which is so good for the hair. So then I like to just add my little touch of a spoon of olive oil. And I will say, if you break out easily, try not to get this around your skin. I've never had a problem with it, but I know some people do, and you don't have to use the olive oil. I just find it helps so much with my frizz, and it's adding just more rich antioxidants and hydration into the mask. And then once it's all blended together, you want to start at the bottom of your hair, since that's where most people have the most damage, and then work your way up to the roots. Let it sit for 30 plus minutes. Sometimes, you guys, I literally leave it in for hours if I'm not doing anything that day. And then once you're done, you do want to make sure, I get this question a lot, you want to make sure you shampoo and condition. Sometimes you might need to shampoo twice. If interested, I'll leave my current shampoo and conditioners down below. I'm always switching them out, which is another great hack if you're trying to grow longer, thicker hair. Just switch your shampoos every few weeks so your hair doesn't get used to it. And then lately, what I've been loving to do, instead of using flat irons and hot tools, I've been swapping it for a high power, high quality blow dryer that also has a cool option. And this one is 10 out of 10. You can get it on Amazon. It's very, very similar to the Dyson, and it's ionic, so it actually helps protect your hair without damaging it. And I love that it also has this little attachment, so you can really focus the air on blowing exactly where you want, which helps me with the frizz because I always face it downwards, and that really does help with just taming the frizz and the flyaways. So you can use the little magnetic attachment this comes with if you want to really get like a nice salon style blowout. And it's really good for traveling. And I got the silver blue color, I believe it's called silver blue, and when I checked out they had $40 off, so I believe that is still there. You can use the little check when you check out and get $40 off when you apply that coupon. I'll have it linked in my bio from Amazon. And I also like to use it with a round brush. I feel like it goes so good. I believe I got it on Amazon too. I will try to find it and link it down below, but definitely get this blow dryer if you're looking for a good one, and do that instead of using as many hot tools, so you can just give your hair a little bit of a break. And then once I'm done blow drying it, I usually just use some Moroccan oil, which is also great for healthy hair and just making it extra shiny and soft. But that is the video, you guys. Hopefully you liked it, and I hope it helps your healthy hair journey. Don't forget to check out all the links below and subscribe for new videos. I love you guys, and thank you for watching.